Hey guys, John here from Atticus Industries. I was going through YouTube and the internet and I didn't see any updated versions on how to record your screen with a webcam. If you're not sure what that is, it's the videos where you can record your screen or the game you're playing with a small icon or square in the corner of the screen, showing the person that's talking or playing in the game with you. So for all intents and purposes, I don't really get into games, but I do a lot of video production. So we'll just start right off by showing you how to do this. You're going to come down to the bottom here. This is going to be for Mac computers. You're going to go to QuickTime Player. You'll click on that, and then you'll see QuickTime Player up here. You'll go to File, click on New Screen Recording, and then this will pop up. And these icons on the left part here are going to be for screen capture. That's going to allow you to take a quick snapshot of the screen or a portion that you want to take a snapshot of. On the right side, you'll see the recordings for video, and because we're already recording video, it's not allowing us to see that part of it. So anyways, we'll come back up here. We are not going to do any of the screen recordings, so we're just going to click on full screen here. Oops, hold on here, there we go. Get out of there, and we're going to come up here. We'll just get rid of that, I guess. Okay, so we'll come back up here once you've chosen whether you're going to do a snapshot or a video, and then you're going to come up to New Movie Recording. You'll click on that, and then this will pop up, and hey, how's it going? So when this comes up, you can create the size of the square that you're going to have. So we're going to go like this. We're going to make it smaller by using that arrow, and then again you can click on it, move it around wherever you want, and for the time being we're just going to put it down there. You can see that it is recording right now. It's not going to allow us to record right here because we're already doing a screen recording, but as you can see, after you get it sized up and everything, you're going to want to come up to View, and then you're going to want to go to Float on Top. If you don't click on Float on Top, whatever you click on, it's going to move it to the back, as you can see right here. So we're going to bring you back here, and we're going to go to View, we're going to go to Float on Top, and here you can see that if you go to different sites, that it will always stay on top, which is really cool. Again, for games, for any kind of webinars that you need to record, anything like that, it's going to come in real handy. And hopefully this will help you guys out. And you can scroll down towards the bottom, and you can see it even works with the games. So hope this was helpful. If you guys have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below, and we will talk to you later.
Bye. Bye. Subscribe. Bye. 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 Bye.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
There's a bunch of bunnies.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Okay, bye. Hey, okay, bye.